Good morning everybody. Welcome back to our channel Sri Education. In before class we learned the divisibility rule by 4, 6 and 2. Today class exercise 15.4. So this exercise before we learned some points. We learned some more divisibility rules. So first one is, if a number a is divisible by another number b, then it is divisible by each of the factor of that number b. So here if a number a is divisible by another number b, if a number a is divisible by another number b, then it is divisible by each of the factors that number b. So this is the one point. Next, if a and b have no common factors, if a and b are no common factors, the number is divisible by a and b is also divisible by a into b. So here a comma b are no common factors. The number is divisible by a and b. Here product a into b is also divisible. If two given numbers are divisible by the number, then their sum is also divisible by that number. Here two given numbers are divisible by a number, so that two number sum is also divisible by that number. Next, here difference also divisible by that number. If two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their difference is also divisible that number. Sum and difference both are divisible that number. Here first one, check whether 25110 is divisible by 45. We check this number is divisible by 45 or not. So here we use this one. If a comma b have no common factors, the number is divisible by a and b is also divisible by a into b. Here check whether 25110 is divisible by 45. So here given number is equal to 25110. So here 45 is equal to, we write 5 into 9. So first we check the 5 type. Here units place is 0 or 5. That number is divisible by 5. Here 0 is there. So 25110 is divisible by 5. Is divisible by 5. Next we check the 9. 9 means here sum of the digits. Sum of the digits equal to here 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. So here 2 plus 5 7, 8, 9. So that equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 9, because here 9 by 9 equal to here 1. So this number here remainder is equal to 0. So this number is divisible by 9. So here 25110 is divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 5, divisible by 9. That implies here, so given number 25110 is divisible by 5 comma 9. So this number 25110 is divisible by 45. These two product is 45. So that's why this number is divisible by 45. So this is the first one solution. Second one, check whether 61479 is divisible by 81. So this number is divisible by 1. We check this one. Here given number is equal to 61479. So here 81 equal to 9, 9s are 81. So now here sum of the digits, given number equal to 61479. So here sum of the digits equal to here 6 plus 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 9. So here that equal to 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 4 18, 18 plus 9 18 plus 9 27. So 27 is divisible by 9. 27 by 9. Here remainder equal to divisible by 9. Remainder equal to 0. Means this number is divisible by 9. So here 81 equal to 9 into 9. So that implies here 81 is divisible by, so here 81 is divisible by 61479. So here first we write here, that implies here 61479 is divisible by 9. So that implies, so yes, 61479 is divisible by 81. So this is the second one answer. Next, third question. Check whether 864 is divisible by 36. Verify whether 864 is divisible by all the factors of 36. So here 864 is divisible by 36. So we verify the divisible by all the factors of 36. So we write the factors and verify the divisibility rules of this number 864. So here first, your number is 864. So 864, your factors of 36 equal to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. So these are the factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36 are the factors of 36. So now here we check this number. Here this number is divisible or not. These all numbers we check it one by one. First we write the number. Yeah, number divisible by here 1 to 36 factors. These are all factors. So we write yes or no. Yes or no. So first your number is, your given number is 864. Here first we check the 1 is a factor of every number. So 1, first we check 1 is a factor of every number. So 1 is divisible by every number. So is a factor of every number. So is a factor of every number. 1 is divisible this 864. So we write yes. Next here second factor is 2. So 864 here 2. So 2 equal to, here 2 is the rule, divisibility rule by 2 is units place. We write units place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 numbers are there. Any number, these numbers are there, that number is divisible by 2. Here 4 is there, so is divisible by 2. 4 by 2, your remainder is 0. So yes, this number is divisible by 2. Next 864. Here next factor is 3. So 3 is rule is sum of the digits. 8 plus 6 plus 4. 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 4 18. So 18 equal to here 18 is divisible by 3. So your remainder equal to 0. So yes, this number is divisible by 3. Next here 864, here divisibility rule 4. Next number is 4. So here 4 is the last 2 digits is divisible by 4. That number is divisible by 4. So last 2 numbers is 64. 64 by 4. So 64, here remainder is 0. 64 is divided with 4. So here 64 by 4. So here remainder is 0. So yes, this number is divisible by 864. 4 is divisible by 864. So next here 864. 864 means next 6. Here 6. 6 equal to here 864. Yes, what is the 6 rule? Here last 3 digits. Here 3 digits are there. 6, 864 by 6. Here remainder is 0. Here remainder is 6 ones are 6. 6. Here 2 is there 6. Here 6, 2, 6. 26 is there. 26 means here 6 4s are 24. Again 6 4s are 24. So here yes, this number is divisible by 6. Next 864. 864 next 9. 9 is the sum of the digits. Here 8 plus 6 plus 4. 8 plus 6 plus 4 equal to 14 plus 4. 18. 18 by 9. Here remainder is 0. So this number is divisible by 9. So next 864. 864 next here 12 is there. So we write 12. 12 means here 12 equal to 6 2s are 12. Here this number is divisible by 2. and 6 also. 2 and 6 also. So here 864 is divided with 12. So here remainder is 0. This number is divisible by 12. So here 12 equal to 2 6 are 12. So here divisible by 2, divisible by 6. So here factor 12 equal to 2 comma 6. So here yes, this number is divisible by 12. Next 864 here 18. So 18 this number 864 is divisible by 18. Here remainder is 0. Here since here 9 is 2 9s are 18 equal to here factors 18 equal to 2 into 9. 2 is here in factor 9 is a factor. So here 9 is a factor means this number is divisible by 9. Already we proved it. So yes, this number is divided with 18. Next 864 36. So 864 by 36. So here remainder is 0. So here 6 is a factor. 6 is a factor of 36. So here 6 is also divisible. Divisible means this number is divisible by 36. So this is the complete solution of third question. Next fourth question, check whether 756 is divisible by 42. Verify whether 756 is divisible by all the factors of 42. Here first we check the number 42. This number is divisible by 42 or not. Next after we write the factors and check the factors. So here given number is 756. So here 42 equal to 6 7s are 42. So first we check this number is divisible by 6 or not. Here given number equal to here 756. Here 756 is divisible by 6 means this number is divisible by 2 and 3. So here 756 is divisible by 2 and 3. Here units place is 6 means here this number is divisible by 2, and sum of the digits is here 7 5 plus 6. Here 7 plus 5 plus 6 equal to here 18 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 2 and 3. That implies here this number is divisible by 6. Here 756 is divisible by 6. Now next we check the divisibility rule by 7. Here divisibility rule by 7, this is the 3-digit number. 3-digit number means 2a plus 3b plus c equal to here 2 into 7 plus 3 into 5 plus 6. So here 14 plus 15 plus 6 equal to here 35. Here 35 is divisible by 7. Here remainder equal to 0. So this number is divisible by 7. So 756 is divisible by 7. So therefore this number is divisible by 6 and divisible by 7. So here 42 is equal to 6 into 7. So automatically the number is divisible by 42. 756 is divisible by 42. So here now we write the factors of 42. 42 equal to 1 2 3 6 7 14 21 42. So these are the factors of 42. Here we write number divisibility divisible by 1 to 42 complete factors. Next we write yes or no. So we check the divisibility rule and write here. Here first number is 756. Here 1 is a factor of every number. So here 1 is divisible, is a factor of every number, is a factor of every number. So is a factor of every number. So yes, this number is divisible by 1. So next 7 56. Here next number is 2. Here units place is 6. Units place is 6 is there. So 6 by 2 remainder is 0. So this number is divisible by 2. Next 3. 3 means 756. Here sum of the digits. Here 7 plus 5 plus 6. Here 7 plus 5 plus 6. Here 18 by 3. So here remainder is 0. So yes, this number is divisible by 3. So next 756. So here 756. Here next number is 6. Here 6 means here divisible by 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So that's why here this number is divisible by 6. So this number is divisible by 6. 2, 3 are factors. Here factors of 6. So yes, this number is divisible by 6. Next here 756. Here next here 7 table. We check the 7 table. Here 7 table means here this is the 2-digit number. Here already we find this one. Here 35. 2a plus 3b plus c equal to here 35 by 7. This number is divisible by 7. So is divisible by 7 is already we write divisible by 7. Yes. Next here 756. Here next number is 14. So 14. So here 756 by 14. Here remainder is 0. So since here 14 equal to 2 into 7. So 7 is a factor. 7 is a factor. This number is divisible by 2 and 7. So here 7 is a factor. Factor of 14. So yes, this number is divisible. Next here 756. Here next number 21. 21. Here 756 is divisible by 21. Here remainder is 0 because here 21 is equal to 3, 7. 7 3s are 21. So are the factors. Are the factors of 21. Here already this number is divisible by 7, divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 21. Next 42. Here 756. 42. 42 is 756 by 42. Here remainder equal to 0. Since here 42 equal to already we proved the 42. Here 6 7s are we proved the divisible by 6 and divisible by 7. So therefore is a divisible by 42. So here we write 6, 7 are the factors. Factors of 42. 42. So yes, this is divisible by 756. This is the complete solution of 4th question. Yeah, first starting here. Next part. Fifth one, check whether the 2156 is divisible by 11 and 7. Verify whether 2156 is divisible by the product of 11 and 7. So here first we verify the divisible by 11 and 7. So given number, here given number equal to 2156. So here first we check the divisibility rule by 11. So here divisibility rule by 11. Here divisibility rule by 11 means here the difference between sum of the digits of odd places and sum of the digits of even places. So here odd places and even places. So difference equal to, here difference equal to 2 plus 5 minus 1 plus 6. So here 7 minus 7 equals 0. So is divisible by 11. Is divisible by 11. Here 0 is there, is divisible by 11. So it means here 2156. Next we verify the 7 divisibility rule by 7. Here 2156 is the 4-digit number. 4-digit number means here divisible rule by 7. So divisible rule by 7. Here 6a plus 2b plus 3c plus d. So here we write 6 into here 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 5 plus 6. So here 12 plus 2 plus 15 plus 6. So here we write here 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 15 29 plus 6 35. 35 is divisible by 7. Here remainder equal to 0. Remainder equal 0. So is divisible by, so 2156 is divisible by 7. So this number is divisible by 11 and 7. So automatically this number is divisible by the product of 11 and 7. So therefore 2156 is divisible product of 11 and 7. This is the fifth one answer. Next, sixth question. Check whether the 1435 is divisible by 5 and 7. Verify 1435 is divisible by the product of 5 and 7. So here first we check the divisibility rule by 5 and 7. Automatically these two are divisible. Automatically the product is also divisible. So here given number is equal to 1435. So 1435, here units place is 5 is there. So is divisible by 5. Is divisible by 5. So here divisible by 5. Next, here we check the divisibility rule by 7. So here divisibility rule by 7. Divisibility by 7. So here divisibility by 7 means here 4-digit number. This is the 4-digit number. 4-digit number means here we check the 6a plus 2b plus 3c plus d. So that equal to 6 into 1 plus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 3 plus 5. So here 6 plus 2 4s are 8 plus 9 plus 5. So that equal to here 14 plus 9. 14 plus 9 13. 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5 28. 28 is divisible by 7. Here remainder is 0. So is divisible by 7. 1435 is divisible by 7. So this number is divisible by 5 and divisible by 7. So this number 1435 is divisible by product of 5 and 7. So is divisible by 1435 is divisible by product of 5 7s are 35. Is divisible by product of 5 and 7 is 35. So this is the sixth one answer. Next, seventh question. Check whether 456 and 618 are divisible by 6. Also check whether 6 is divides the sum of 456 and 618. So first these two numbers is divisible by 6 or not, we check it. After whether the divides the sum of 456 and 618. So add these two numbers. So that sum is divisible by 6 or not, we check it. Here check whether 456 and 618 are divisible by 6. So first here divisible by 6. Divisible by 6 means here any number is divisible by 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Any number is divisible by 2 and 3. That number is divisible by 6. That is the divisibility rule by 6. So now first here first number is here 456. 456 is first we check it the divisible by 2. So 456 is here units place is 6 is there. Units place 6 means here this is divisible by 2. So is divisible by 2. Is divisible by 2. Here since here units place 6. So this is divisible by 2. Next we check the rule by 3 table. So here 3 means here 456. Here sum of the digits equal to here 4 plus 5 plus 6. 4 plus 5 plus 6 equal to 15. 15 is divided by 3. Here remainder is 0. So this number is divisible by 3. So 456. Here second one 456 is divisible by 3. So here sum is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Here divisible by 2 and divisible by 3 means automatically here divisible by 6. So here that implies 465 is divisible by 6. Is divisible by 6. So now here next. Now here we check the next number. Here next number is, here first number is 456. Next number is, here second number is, here 618. 618 is, here units place is 2. So is divisible by 2. Is divisible by 2. Here since units place, here units place is 8. So here this number is divisible by 2. Next here we check the third 3 table. Here so here sum equal to sum of the digits. Here sum of the digits equal to, here 6 plus 1 plus 8 equal to 6 plus 1, 7 plus 8, 15. 15 is divisible by 3. Here remainder equals 0. So 618 is divisible by 3. 618 is divisible by 3. So here 618 is divisible by 2 and 618 is divisible by 3. So that implies here 618 is divisible by 6. So here 618 is divisible by 6. Here first two numbers, here 456 is divisible by 6 and 618 is divisible by 6. These two numbers are divisible by 6. And now next here also check whether 6 divides the sum of 456 and 618. Here 456 plus 618. Here sum is equal to 456 plus 618 is equal to 1074. So this is the sum of these two numbers. Now here this number is divided 6 or not. Now here we check it. Here third one, here first 1074. We check the divisibility by rule by 6. Here divisibility rule by 6 is means here this number is divided first here units place 1074 is divisible by 2 because here units place is 4 is there. 4 means this number is divisible by 2. Is divisible by 2. Since unit place is, here unit place is 4 is there. So this number is divisible by 2. Next here sum. Here sum equal to here 1 plus 0 plus 7 plus 4 that equal to here 8 plus 2 12 is divided by 3. Here remainder equal to 0. So this number 1074 is divisible by 3. So here this number is divisible by 2 and 3. So that implies here 1074 is divisible by 6. So this is the 7th one solution. This is the complete solution of 7th question. Next 8th question. Check whether 876 and 345 are divisible by 3. Also check whether 3 divides the difference of 876 and 345. Here asking difference. So first we check the divisibility rule by these two numbers. After we find the difference number, we check the divisibility rule by 3. Now here first number, here 876. So 876 and 345 are divisible by 3. So here this number sum equal to here 8 plus 7 plus 6. Here 21 is divided 3. Here remainder equals 0. So this number 876 is divisible by 3. Because this sum is divided 3. So this number is divided by 3. Next number here 345. So now check this number. Here sum equal to here 3 plus 4 plus 5. So that equal to here 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 means here 12 by 3. 12 is divisible by 3. So here remainder equal to 0. So therefore here 345 is divisible by 3. So now here next asking here 3 divides the difference of 876 and 346. So here first we write the difference. here difference of these two numbers 876 minus 345 is equal to 531 is the difference. So this number, now we check the divisibility rule by 3. So here 531 is the difference. So now this number here sum equal to 5 plus 3 plus 1, that equal to here 9. 9 is divisible by 3, here remainder is 0. So here 531 is divisible by 3. So difference also divisible by 3. Yeah, difference also divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. This is the 8th one complete solution. Next, 9th question, check whether 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3 plus 2 power 4 is divisible by 2 or 4 or by both 2 and 4, by both 2 and 4. So this number, first we check the divisibility rule and rule 2 and 4. Here first given number, given number equal to 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3 plus 2 power 4, that equal to 4 plus 2 power 3, 2 power 3 means 8 plus 2 power 4, 4 means 16, so that equal to 28. So now here we check the 28 is first we check the 2 and 4. Here units place 28, units place is 8 means units place 8 means this number is divisible by 2, is divisible by 2. Next we check the 4 divisibility rule by 4. Here 28 last 2 digits, this is a 2-digit number, so 4 7s are 28. So this number also divisible by 4, last 2 digits is divisible by 4. So this number is divisible by 4. So therefore now here 28 or 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3 plus 2 power 4 is divisible by both 2 and 4, both 2 and 4. This is the 9th one complete solution. Next, 10th question, check whether 32 square is divisible by 4 or 8 or by both 4 and 8. So first here we find the 32 square. 32 square means 32 into 32. First we find that value. Here given number is equal to 32 square. 32 square means 32 into 32, that equal to here 1024. So first here divisible by 4 or 8. So 4 means here last 2 digits, we compare last 2 digits. Here last 2 digits is 24. Here 1024 last 2 digits is 24. 24 is divisible by 4. 24 is divisible by 4. So here remainder equal to 0. 0 means this number is divisible by 4. 1024 is divisible by 4. Next here 1024. Here last 3 digits also we check the divisibility rule by 8. Here last 3 digits, here 24. Here 24 by 8. Here remainder equal to 0. So here 1024 is divisible by 8. So this number is divisible by 8. Now finally, so here 32 square is divisible by 4 and 8. Here first we check the divisibility rule by 4. After we check the divisibility rule by 8. So here 32 square is divisible by 4 and 8. This is the complete 10th one solution. Next, 11th question. If A679B is a 5-digit number, is divisible by 72, find A and B. So here is divisible by 72, find A and B. So now here we find the values A and B. So here this number here, if A679B is divisible by 72, is a 5-digit number, is divisible by 72, is divisible by 72 is divisible by 72 means here product 72 product is here 8 into 9, 8 9s are 72, so then it should be divisible by divisible by 8 and 9, 8 and 9 here, since here 72 equal to 9 in 8 is 72, so 9 and 8. So now here first here we check the divisibility rule by 9. Divisibility rule by 9 means here A679B is divisible by 9, is divisible by 9. Then here sum of the digits equal to here A plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus B equal to here A plus B here 6 plus 7 13 plus 9 22. Here this number is divisible by 9 means that's why here we write this is equal to 27, that equal to 9 into 3, 9 3s are 27. So this number is 27 is divisible by 9. So now here this one equal to 22. A plus B equal to here 27 minus 22. A plus B equal to here we write 5. A plus B equal to 5. This is the equation 1. Now next here we take the divisibility rule by 8. Here divisibility rule by 8 means last 3 digits. Here number A679B is a number. Last 3 digits equal to here 79B is divisible by 8. Divisible by 8 means here if possible numbers here from this B equal to here 2 4 6 8. So here we take B equal to 2. First we take B equal to 2. If possible numbers 2 4 6 8. Here B equal to we take 2. 2 means here 792 by 8. So here remainder is equal to 0. So therefore B equal to we take 2. 2 means here equation 1. Here A plus B equal to 1 implies here A plus B equal to 5. A plus B equal to 5 means A plus 2 equal to 5. A equal to 5 minus 2 equal to here 3. A equal to 3 and B equal to 2 are the values of A comma B. This is the 11th one complete solution. This is the last problem of this exercise. So this exercise is completed. Complete notes PDF link on description is there. If you are interested, download it.